Ready to unlock the massive Chinese market and boost your e-commerce game? Today, we're diving into a step-by-step guide on how to sign up for Weidian, a leading e-commerce platform in China. First, head to the Weidian website or download the app Weidian. The links are in the description below. Look for the registration or sign up button, usually located at the top right corner of the homepage. Click on it. You'll need a mobile phone number to register. Enter your number and tap the button to receive a verification code. It's important to use a valid number, as this is crucial for account security and communication. Input the verification code you received in the designated field. Make sure you enter it correctly. This confirms you have access to the provided phone number. Next, you'll be prompted to create a strong and secure password. Choose a password that is difficult to guess and re-enter it to confirm. Remember to keep your password safe. Now, you need to select your seller type, individual or enterprise. Choose the option that applies to you. Different options might require different documents. If you select enterprise, you'll need to provide your business license details, including the business registration number and company name. Make sure all information is accurate. Regardless of your seller type, you'll need to upload a copy of your personal identification, like a passport or ID card. Ensure the image is clear and legible. Finally, you'll set up your store. Choose a catchy name, upload a professional logo, and write a compelling description of your products or services. This is your chance to attract customers. And that's it. You're now ready to start selling on Weidian and tap into the vast Chinese market. Don't forget to subscribe for more e-commerce tips and tricks. Good luck.